What's going on, guys? Your boy Rome 300 back again with another video, and I got an unboxing for y'all. My first Centerwood subscription, I guess that's how you say it. This is the first one I got besides that. So let's do a quick unboxing for you guys. You have to bear with me because I don't even know how to open this. Oh, there it is, right there. So we're gonna open it from here. Nice little stamp on there. Pretty nice, simple cardboard box. But nice detail. All right, let's see what's inside. Okay, all right. Got the candle and also the 10 ml fragrance. And I think it's the description here. Oh, what's this? Okay. This is cedar fragrance. Got all the information inside about the notes, the perfumer, and oh, it's an EDP. All right, that's pretty cool. I like that. I like that. See, this is what you get when you subscribe to them. One candle and one 10 ml fragrance every month for a year. So I'll do a full review on this in maybe a month or so, just to get a little bit more familiar with the fragrance. A little quick unboxing, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I truly appreciate you guys. And until next time, like I always say, it's okay if you want to smell like Rome. I'll check you guys out in the next video. Until then, peace. Real quick, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And do me a favor, hit that bell icon so you can get more videos right to you as soon as I shoot them. All right? I appreciate you. Peace.